Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about MS Word documents. And in this video, I will show you how to simply remove password protected from your MS Word file. Let me show you how. Like for instance, this particular MS Word here has been fully protected with password. So if I click on here back and then this is the document right there. If I press enter, it always requires password. And how can we remove the password from the file? So what we want to do here is to go ahead and come back to the file right there, enter, and then we still have a password. So go ahead and enter your initial password, hit on OK. Now the file is going to open up. And once you open up the file, how can you completely remove the password from the file? So what you need to do right there is to go ahead and come to the top right here. Go ahead and click on File, then go ahead and navigate to Info, then go ahead and click on Protect Password right here. Go ahead and click on Protect Document. Then go ahead and make sure you click on Create with Password. This is going to come up. Make sure you remove all this password right here. So I'm going to go ahead and remove this password. Hit on OK, and you are done. The next thing you want to do here is to save the file back. Go ahead and click on Save As right here. Then browse the destination. So I'm going to save this file into my desktop right here. So I'll go ahead and click on desktop. Then I'm going to go ahead and call this password remove. Then I'm going to go ahead and hit on save. I'm still saving it as MS Word. By the time I close this particular window right here, and we have the other files without the password right here. So I'm going to go ahead and then look for the file. Right here we have the remove password right here. So just like what you see right here. So I'm going to go ahead and press enter key on my keyboard. This will allow me to load the file in MS Word. So let's see. And in a few seconds, you can see the file has been successfully opened. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks about Word document tutorial like this, consider subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.